Hello and welcome back. In this lesson we're going to be learning about creating section views in Civil 3D. Let's get started. In this exercise you'll create a section view for a range of sample lines. First you'll modify some of the settings that apply to section views. This exercise continues from creating sample lines. Let's start by modifying the group plot style. Go ahead and open up your section-views-create drawing in your tutorials folder. In your tool space, click on your settings tab. Then expand the section view and expand the group plot styles collection. Select your basic style, right click and select edit. In the group plot style dialog box, click the display tab. Under the component display, within the print area row, change the color to red. Click OK. These colors make it easy to identify the extents of the sheet, as well as the portion of the sheet that contains the section views. You'll observe these components when you create the section views later in this exercise. Go ahead and click OK. Now we'll specify basic section view parameters. Go ahead into your Home tab. Then look into your Profile and Section Views panel. Click the Section Views drop-down and then select Create Multiple Views. Now we're in the Create Multiple Section Views wizard. On the General page, specify the following parameters. For the alignment, we're going to keep it on centerline. For the sample line group name, we're going to leave it at SLG-1. The station range will be user specified. We're going to leave the start default, but we're going to change the end to this. Lastly, we're going to leave the section view style at its default of road section. Go ahead and click Next. Now we're going to specify a plot style and a layout template. On the section placement page, you specify how the section views are displayed and arranged in the sheets. Select a template, viewport scale, and group plot style. Under the placement options, we're going to leave it on production. Now note that the draft option right here creates section views in the current drawing only. You cannot generate sheets from draft section views. Under the template for cross-section sheet, go ahead and press this button. Then within this dialog box, go ahead and select this. And then within your local template folder, double-click on Plan Production. Then select Civil 3D Imperial section. Then click Open. Go ahead and select the 40 scale sheet. Click OK. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and leave our group plot style on Basic. Go ahead and click Next. Now we're going to go ahead and specify the section view offsets. On the Offset Range page, under Offset Range, we're going to leave it on Automatic. Notice that the left and right values are set to 150. This is the sample line swath width value that you specified in creating sample lines. Go ahead and click Next. Now that we're on the Elevation Range page, specify the following parameters. The elevation range is going to be user specified, and we're going to change the height to 100. For section view height, we're going to follow a section, and that section is going to be EG. These settings specify that all section views will be 100 feet tall and the elevation will follow the existing grade elevation. Go ahead and click Next. Let's specify the sampled sections and labels. The Section Display Options page specifies the object and label styles for the sampled objects. However, in this exercise, you will suppress the labels. Now, under the EG row, click within the label set, and then select No Labels. Click OK. We're going to do the same for the top and for the datum. Now, let's click Next. Now we're going to specify some data band settings. Under the data band set, we're going to select Major Station. For Surface 1, we're going to choose Corridor Top. And for Surface 2, we're going to leave it on Datum. Lastly, let's create and examine the section views. Go ahead and select Create Section Views. Our command line is asking us to identify the section view origin. We're going to select a point within this top viewport. Let's take a look at some of our section views. You'll see that groups of section views are arranged into two rectangles. You specified the color of these rectangles at the beginning of this exercise. When you create section sheets, the area between the red and blue rectangles contains the title block, border, and other information that's contained in the plan production template you selected. You'll create section sheets in the Creating Section Sheets exercise. So that's how you go about creating section views in Civil 3D. If you'd like to learn more about Civil 3D workflow tips and tricks, visit AutoCAD Civil3D Training.com. And be sure to sign up for future video notifications or click subscribe on our YouTube channel. Again, my name is Charles Ellison. Take care.